Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Luisa, you are watching Lulu's C'est la vie, and for today's video we are going to make flaxseed hair gel. We're going to go to my kitchen and we are going to make two different batch of flaxseed. One with a regular flaxseed hair gel and one with flaxseed hair gel and a little bit of honey. Also keep in mind that I like to add essential oils to my flaxseed hair gel, so there will be lavender essential oils, but you don't have to do it if you don't want to. It's just something that I personally like to add to my flaxseed hair gel. All right, with no further ado, let's go to my kitchen and let's get this party started, and then we'll come back in the bedroom once we're done. See you in a sec. So for this DIY, you are going to need a measurement cup as well as about 2 cups of water. You're gonna need a regular cup. Here I'm showing you a full cup, but you're really gonna need only half a cup and a spatula. Of course, you're gonna need some flaxseed as well as some honey and your favorite essential oil. Here I'm using lavender. You're also gonna need 2 containers, or one if you only want to do one type of flaxseed, and a stocking. Okay, so first we're going to pour about half a cup of flaxseed into 2 cups of water. You can do whatever measurements you want. I like to do half a cup for 2 cups. You can do 1 cup of flaxseed for 2 cups of water. It's up to you. Once the water is boiling, we're going to add about half a tablespoon of essential oil. And we're going to let the flaxseed boil until you get a little bit of a mucus on the top of the water. Once your flaxseed is ready, you want to ideally let it cool down for a little bit. Today I was not patient, or I was running out of time, so I decided to separate the gel from the seeds slowly. And to be honest, I could have left it sit there a little bit longer to let it get a little bit harder. So I end up with about 8 ounces or 1 full cup, a little bit over a cup of gel. I'm gonna let that cool down and sit aside for a little bit. And meanwhile, I am going to filter the rest of the gel from the seeds. To do that, I use my stocking that I'm gonna put over my measurement cup. I'm gonna make sure that the socks falls in the middle of the cup. I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of the flaxseed gel and I'm going to put it inside of the socks. Now you want to make sure that this is not too hot. If it is too hot like it is right now for me, go and take a pair of gloves and then or let it cool down and then start filtering this gel. This is the most annoying part of it though. All right, 20 minutes later, I am done and I'm gonna mix both of the gels together, mix it a little bit. And then I decide to filter it one more time to make sure that all the seeds are gone from my gel. And here you can see that I had a little bit of seeds in there. All right, so now we are left with about 12 ounces or 400 milliliters of flaxseed. So that means I can put 6 ounces or 200 milliliters in each bottle. this first bottle is going to be my flaxseed and essential oil bottle. All right, now under the second bottle, I am adding about 1 tablespoon of honey for 6 ounces of flaxseed. I can tell you right now that this is too much honey. I've tried the product in my hair, and I think that half a tablespoon or maybe quarter of a tablespoon for 6 ounces of gel would have been more than enough. So yeah. Next, you want to make sure that the honey and the flaxseed are well mixed together. Lastly, you want to make sure to label your bottles because trust me, you will forget what's in there and which bottle is what. So make sure you put your ingredients and the date at which you made your product. And then voila, you've got your 2 bottles, one with just flaxseed and a little bit of essential oil if you want. You don't have to put it in. And the second bottle, flaxseed and honey with a little bit of essential oil. You can actually see the difference in the color of the one with honey. And you're all set. All right, my love, well, this is it. This is how I made my 2 batch of flaxseed hair gel. Like I said in the intro, this is part 1. Part 2 is going to be me trying the products in my hair. I will be separating my hair in 2 like they are right now. Spoiler alert. Yes, this is the end result, and I don't want you guys to see it, so don't look at my hair right now. But I will be trying the flaxseed on my hair, and we'll see together what is the difference between the 2 flaxseeds, the one with honey and the one without honey. So stay tuned for this because I'm very excited. There's a big difference between the 2, and you guys need to know what it is. Before I will post this part 2, I'm probably gonna sneak in a little makeup tutorial video that I've been working on and that I'm actually pretty happy about, so stay tuned for that too. Actually, you know what, the best way to stay tuned is to subscribe to my channel. If you have not yet, please subscribe to my channel and you will know about all of my new video posted and also all of my live stream, because during this confinement I've been doing a lot of live streams. All right, my love, I'm gonna let you go. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about this recipe, and let me know if you guys do it in a different way, because I'm curious to know how other people do their flaxseed recipe. And then voila, stay tuned for the rest. I will see you guys very soon with a new video. Until then, my loves, stay healthy, stay happy, stay confined, and have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.